All right, we are here with the Super Dollies, the Dollies Cradle kit, to tow this car down the road on the cradle. Nothing but the brakes. We're gonna show you how to get this thing up. Let's make this happen. Let's show you how this gets done. So we have a low profile jack. To keep from causing any more damage to the vehicle, we're gonna go to the jacking point right here, raise it up to get the cradle kit underneath it so we can haul this vehicle without doing any more damage to it, what was causing the wheel falling off. Oh, it's so much better than just kneeling on the asphalt. All right, that should be high enough to get that up so we can set the dollies. So you can adjust them. These are nylock nuts, so you don't have to worry about them coming off. You always want them in the same holes on both sides so they don't track. All right, now we have this set. In order to get this in here, you gotta have it all the way in the most inner spots for the axles. Then we take it to set this under there like this, and that rubber piece will set on these, kind of centered up a little bit so it's sitting in there nice, like that. We're gonna let the jack down, go to the other side, put the jack underneath it so we can get the tire high enough to set these axles at the same setting so it doesn't track down the road. So be nice. There you go. That's set in there real nice. You got that all in there pretty. And if you look, without jacking it up, you're not going to get the axles in the same spot, so you'll have to be concerned about the dollies tracking. So now you have them both in the same ones, so the axles are going to be the same. So we're going to engage the ratcheting system. Once I got it, look at that. If you were backed up against something, you're high enough off the ground to make this work. And there you go. Both sides are up on the dollies. Now we just got to strap them. We're going to secure this one. There's no wheel on it, so we can't lasso it like we normally would. So we're going to come up in here. We're going to wrap around the bottom of the shock, bring it out here and secure it on the dolly. And then you don't want to just keep ratcheting that down. You want to snug it because you don't want to tear up the shock, because if you just keep cranking on it, there's a good chance you might bend it, and we don't want to cause any extra damage to the vehicle. Up there like that. Now this, nice and snug. Tuck it there, try to make it nice and neat. Keep it from falling out and flapping around in the wind. So now we're secured. Now we're gonna run this thing down the road. Dollies Cradle kit. This is the one with no wheel. You can see how we got it strapped, nice and secure. So everybody, what do you think about it? Drop your comments below. The other side with the tire on it. So the other side has no wheel and tire. This is what it looks like from this side with the cradle tire kit on the other side. The car sits fairly level with one side not having a wheel and tire on it. So now we're here, we've towed it, our destination. So now we're gonna get the car off the dollies. Look at that didn't budge an inch. Now we are going to unload our dollies, take it out of the ratcheting mode. Clearance, grab your cradle. Get your dolly frames out. And that's how you use the cradle kit to tow a car with no wheel. Keep a lookout for the ball joint version in the near future. Like, follow, and share for more towing content. Slow down, move over, you'll save a life, and it's the law.